Question: do cars need to have a dash camera fitted for safety reasons? You can have a setup similar to this for under £150 UK sterling from Viofo. The text at bottom of screen being image reversed is my error. I apologize. My bad. My family go to a local function. They park in a public car park out of the way.
I'm just training my joggers to test this out until I can get some platform.
Then go inside the building. Yet this is not enough to avoid an incident that will possibly cost us thousands to repair. Decide for yourself. Let's welcome our star of this video. Let's call him Terry Tesla. He drops off his passenger who goes inside the building. Then reverses his ultra high-tech modern and ultra-safe electric vehicle to park. Correct me if I am wrong, but are not the new Tesla vehicles loaded with new technology to avoid crashes or collisions? Let's see if this expensive technology works. Or not. "360-degree camera systems. Distance sensors. Even automatic braking systems to override human error or misjudgment." After checking the damage to both vehicles and checking twice, there were no witnesses in the car. He gets back in his car, then readjusts his parking position to make it seem like he had nothing to do with the damage. Then parks on the opposite side of the damaged car. What does Terry Tesla do? Does he write a note of apology and leave details? No. Does he go inside the building to find the car's owner? No. He goes on his laptop watching videos until his passenger returns some time later. Then he drives away like nothing happened. What a shame, Terry Tesla. You presumed you're the only person with a camera. Maybe next time be a honest person and it won't bite you in the ass. It is kind of unfortunate you decided to pick on a YouTuber that is a dash camera specialist, aka Danny Dashcam. This is the damage to my vehicle. The bumper, near side wing, and headlight are destroyed. Also maybe the bonnet or hood if you're American. Here you can see the brackets holding the headlight have snapped clean off. My vehicle luckily is being repaired, not written off. This is not the end. Update video to follow.